You can do a lot with the bike, but when you start adding accessories, a world of new opportunities is opened up. From complete conversion kits to useful add-ons, there are a lot of potential upgrades to choose from. To help make your big decision a little easier, we've searched long and hard to find all the best new products to improve what your bike is able to do for you. These 10 unique bike inventions that actually exist are all extremely useful and will make your life much easier when it comes to your day-to-day activities. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. Number 10. LUMOS Ultra. The LUMOS Ultra is a fantastic bike helmet that works to keep you safe in all conditions. As its name suggests, it has a suite of onboard lights built in, keeping you more visible during dusk or nighttime rides. It also aims to make you more predictable to traffic and pedestrians around you, minimizing the chances of getting car-doored or worse. The LUMOS Ultra incorporates a bright front light that can be turned on by pressing a button at the rear of the helmet. This light is more than enough to ensure that you're highly visible while also illuminating the road ahead of you, so you don't surprise any vehicles while also looking out for any surprises yourself. In addition to the main headlight, the LUMOS Ultra also has turn signal LEDs on either side to make it clear when you're about to turn or merge. These can be activated by using the LUMOS wireless handlebar remote. The remote mounts easily onto whatever handlebar you choose, with easy-to-read left and right buttons. Your LUMOS Ultra can even hook up to your Apple Watch Gestures motion controls, so you can control the turn signals by raising your arm. Optional add-ons include a visor to keep rain and snow out of your eyes while you ride, along with the option to add MIPS. This safety feature is built right into the helmet, adding extra protection against rotational motion transferred to the brain, so if you do happen to go down, minimizing the chance of your noggin sustaining serious injuries. Number 9. Zylock. Zylock has been dubbed the world's first foldable and proactive bike lock. Its foldable design makes it easy to store, transport, and use, with its proactive attributes coming from a host of smart features. To begin with, Zylock has a 0.5-second fingerprint unlock, using biometrics to keep your bike secure. The scanner uses a 508 dpi high-resolution capacitive sensing touch panel, making unlocking your Zylock simple and quick. This uses minimal power, so you'll pretty much never have to worry about charging. The lock can remember up to 20 fingerprints, has the ability to grant remote access to friends, and is waterproof rated at IP67, so it can be fully immersed in water for over 30 minutes and keep working. You can also use the companion app to unlock your bike via your smartphone, using AES 128 encryption to keep things totally secure. On top of the smart features, the Zylock is built to be durable and strong. It uses temper-hardened steel reinforcements to ensure the structure of the lock can't be easily comprised. The lock can withstand hydraulic cutters up to 12 tons, making it necessary to use specialized tools to get it open without your approval. Furthermore, Zylock uses cutting-edge advanced stamping to create a drill-proof and pick-resistant alloy steel casing. Finally, Zylock has a theft alert system in place and will send you notifications when your bike is moved without your knowledge. Position tagging keeps you safe if your bike does happen to go missing, and is also useful if you forget where you parked it. Number 8. Lightest EBIKE Kit. A quality e-bike kit, the lightest e-bike kit is pretty self-explanatory. It's super light and affordable, offering mid-drive performance for pretty much any bike you currently own. The entire system only weighs around 8 pounds in total. On that note, there are some e-bike conversion kits that are lighter, and if you stick around, we'll be talking about those in a little bit. Still, the lightest e-bike kit is pretty much as light as it gets, and can pump out around 1000 watts equivalent torque, which is enough to allow a single biker to tow a van if they feel like it. The mid-range motor takes advantage of your bike shifter, delivering more torque at the wheel, which also makes this the most rugged e-bike kit as well. These kits are designed to excel at uphill climbs, and can even be connected to a smartphone for a whole suite of added features to enhance performance and control. Number 7. Sentinel. Sentinel is a digital bodyguard for your bike, and has been dubbed the toughest, smartest bike lock on the market. For starters, Sentinel is keyless, with riders using their smartphones or a digital RFID key hanger to open it up. It also has a lot of other impressive features, including GPS tracking, a loud acoustic alarm to help prevent theft, remote unlocking, and key sharing, a crash warning system, and a whole bunch more. Crash detection also sends an automated notification to alert people that you might be injured. The Sentinel is always connected and can be configured in myriad ways, letting you personalize settings to suit your needs. Number 6. The Unlimited e-bike Conversion Kit. Another fantastic e-bike conversion kit is the Unlimited, and it definitely has a lot to offer. It's designed to be set up with any bike at all and is both EU and USA street legal. In the US, the 750-watt Unlimited has a 22 mph top speed with a 250-watt motor on the European version, allowing for 25 km/h. Setup only takes a minute or so and can be achieved with tools or any extra effort. The wireless pedal sensor communicates with the motor, letting it know exactly how much power you need to keep yourself going. There are 2 sizes to choose from, with the larger allowing for a range of 80 kilometers, and the smaller getting you a solid 35 kilometers before it needs a charge. A handlebar-mounted display shows you all sorts of stats like speed, distance, and battery life. Number 5. iTrackIt. iTrackIt is a sleek and discreet GPS bike tracker that fits in the frame, giving you plenty of power to fight back against bike theft. It offers 24/7 security and has a long battery life, lasting 12 months, negating the need to continually charge it up. Installation requires removing the seat and slipping the iTrackIt inside. That's all it takes. Once in place, your iTrackIt will send you anti-tamper alerts and track your bike in real time via your phone if it ever happens to go missing. It can even send automatic police reports, sharing your bike's location with the authorities. Number 4. REVOLVE. Compatible with most bikes, REVOLVE aims to redefine how we look at the wheel. It replaces your bike's wheel, letting you easily remove it after locking your bike so you can take it with you. It takes up to 60% less space than a standard wheel and gives you a serious one-up on any would-be bike thieves. An impressively modular foldable wheel, REVOLVE will help you stand out and keep your bike more secure, while also saving you space when you aren't using your bike. The wheel offers a very smooth ride and can even be fit on most wheelchairs. Number 3. Parkies. An innovative bike rack, Parkies is a bicycle lift bike stand that definitely saves on storage space in a big way. The unique design is certainly stylish, and the Parkies takes almost no physical effort to use. It's also extremely easy to set up and install, with the whole system being completely maintenance-free. Parkies saves around 40% of the floor space thanks to its vertical parking design, with most bikes only taking up around 120 centimeters of space when locked in the upright position. The Parkies even has a mounting extension, which makes it amazingly simple to add extra bikes side by side. Fitting most popular bike models, Parkies does have a few qualifications if your bike is oddly shaped. You can mount your Parkies to any flat wall, along with other firm structures such as a balcony rail. Additionally, Parkies has plenty of accessories to choose from, including their locking gate add-on for added security. Number 2. GEOORBITAL Wheel. Owning an electric bike used to mean ignoring your current bike, but now you can have the best of both worlds with the GEOORBITAL Wheel. It can be hooked up by anyone at all in under 60 seconds with no tools required, making it perfect for busy or active people who spend a lot of their time on the go. The wheel replaces a standard bike front wheel with everything you need included in the wheel itself. Each wheel has a flat-proof tire, using a lithium-ion battery, brushless DC motor, and a motor controller with an aerospace-grade aluminum body to keep all the components safe from shocks or impacts. GEOORBITAL wheels are available in 26-inch or 700C sizes, the latter of which is also compatible with 28 or 29-inch tires. Recharge time for the 26-inch tire is 3 hours, while the 700C takes 4 hours, with both having built-in regenerative braking and a top speed of 20 miles per hour. The range of the 26-inch tire is 30 miles with pedal assist, and the range of the 700C is 50 miles with pedal assist or 20 miles without pedaling. The wheels weigh between 17 and 20 pounds. Number 1. Switch. Not to be outdone by the GEOORBITAL wheel, Switch is another simple and powerful way to get yourself from A to B quickly and efficiently. Switch is an e-bike conversion kit that lets you turn any bicycle into an e-bike. Assembly is easy enough that anyone can do it, and switch is also disc brake compatible. With switch hooked up, you'll be able to propel yourself along with no effort at all at speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. The switch's range is 30 miles, which is more than enough to get you where you need to go before you need to charge up again. The kit consists of a motor wheel, power pack, a pedal sensor, and a bracket. As you pedal, switch kicks into action, calculating the optimal power required before delivering it to the front wheel motor. The entire system only adds 3 kilos of weight to your bike, which is barely noticeable, and uses a 250 watt brushless DC geared motor with 40 nanometers torque. Charge time is 3 hours for the standard power pack and 4 hours for the Pro power pack, with the main difference between the two being the integrated front light on the Pro power pack. The light kicks out 500 lumens and is amazingly useful to have during low visibility conditions or night rides. And that's 10 unique bike inventions that actually exist. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and let us know in the comments what you think. Check out our other videos and subscribe to be part of the fun. Click on the notification icon so you can see our new videos as soon as they are uploaded. That's it for now.